Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
With the car parked, keys out, and the handbrake set, locate the interior bonnet release lever under the left side of the dashboard. Sit in the driver's seat and reach beneath the dash. The plastic lever is marked or shaped for your fingers. Pull the lever about 3 to 4 inches until you hear the bonnet pop, which disengages the main latch. If nothing happens, try a firm, continuous pull while an assistant gently presses on the bonnet to reduce seal resistance. Step to the front of the Fiesta and place your hand under the bonnet center where the grille meets the bumper. Reach for the secondary catch. Reach under the front center of the bonnet to find the secondary catch. It will be a tab or lever you can push or lift. Push the catch to the left while lifting the bonnet to release it fully, then raise the bonnet until the hood strut holds, or locate and insert the prop rod into its designated slot to secure the bonnet open. Before reaching into the engine bay, confirm the engine is cool, check visually and wait if hot, or use gloves and eye protection. Check that the engine is cool or use gloves before touching components under the bonnet, and avoid loose clothing near belts or fans. When finished, remove the prop rod and hold the bonnet steady. When closing, lower the bonnet to about 12 to 18 inches and let it latch by its own weight to engage the catch. Verify the bonnet is full.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.